Right, basically once you've got all the sensors back in place, just before you do much more, just make sure your wires are sort of sitting in place. This one from the heater that can sort of get in the way a little bit, but as long as it's not sort of going to get cut by any wires or any sharp pieces of metal. Your defrost sensor comes out the bottom, goes to here. Your thermal fuse is down the bottom on the right hand corner. Lastly, you would put your little heat transfer clip. If you just clip it on, and just squeeze it with a pair of longless pliers. That's pretty much it. Again, just go over your wires, make sure they're not coming out here or they're not sitting anywhere different. And that's you ready to put your cover on after that.